Hey, this is Supreet and welcome back. So today we're gonna talk about how to create your Express Entry profile. Now this is gonna be short video. So I've already signed in. So let me show you how to fill in the details. Now I'm not going to show you all the details to be filled in, but the basic information. So now you have personal history, you have employment history, you have work experience history. So now when it comes to personal description, let me see what all information you will have to fill in. So you will have to fill in your gender, your date of birth, and you'll have to fill in your country where you belong to. And I belong to India, so I'm gonna fill in India over here and the city of your birth. So hit next, and you'll have to fill in the marital status. So you'll have to fill in your passport details. So if you have passport, then obviously you'll have to fill in the passport number and the passport issue date and expiry date. So document number refers to your passport. Document number refers to your passport number. And so point to note is, if you have your IELTS cleared and if you have done with your ECA and you have obtained your results for ECA, you will be eligible to create a Express Entry profile. Now also you can also check your CRS total through CRS calculator, and then work upon your Express Entry profile. Just to get the projection of your score, you can refer to CRS calculator tool. So now I have entered the passport number over here, and the country which issued my passport would be India, so I'm just entering India, and you'll have to enter issue date. It's in the format YYYMMDD. So I'll be entering issue date and expiry date as well.
So again, I repeat, this won't be a long video, and this is gonna be just an overview. You have to enter your details in the Express Entry profile. I'm not going to show you how to fill in all the details in all the sections. So meanwhile, I'm just trying to gather my passport details from my documentation. So just be sure, or just ensure that all your details, whatever you have filled in, is appropriate and it is authentic, and verify all your documents and then enter the dates and stuff. Even a small mistake with or without intention would be considered as misrepresentation. So you would not like that, just because any kind of misrepresentation would be leading you to more worse consequence. So the consequence could be you would be banned from applying for visa for 5 years. So I think I have ensured all my details with respect to passport, and I'm gonna enter those details accordingly.
So I would be entering all my passport details, the issue date and the expiry date as well. So this would be in YYYMMDD format. So I'm just trying to ensure all my details are appropriate. Ensure all the dates are valid and your passport has not been expired. So now I have entered all my passport details, and I will have to save and click next. The moment you click next, it will take you to the other section. Let me see what the other section is. So now this section asks you to confirm whether you have applied for IRCC earlier or not. I have not applied, hence I'm gonna submit no, enter no. Now this would ask me the citizenship details in case if you have taken the citizenship of different country. If you have traveled to different country and taken the citizenship over there, you will have to enter those details. Also in my case it is just India, so I'm gonna enter India. So now country of residence is India as well, so you'll have to enter whatever is applicable in your case. So in my case it is just India, so I'm just trying to verify whatever I've entered is correct. So I've entered India. I'm gonna click next and see what section it is. So now this is all about your family section. It asks you how many family members are you now going to take along with you to Canada. So write whatever is applicable to you, and this asks about the funds requirement. How much of money are you going to take Canada? So write whatever is applicable according to your family member. So I'm gonna click next. So this asks you, do you have a close relative, a blood relative in Canada? If you have, you can say yes. I don't have anyone who is a blood relative in Canada, so I'm gonna say no. So now I'm gonna say save as draft. I saved it as draft and have completed my personal details. Now I think you will be taken to the screen where you'll have to enter your contact details. Let me check what information does it ask for me to enter. This would definitely ask me for my email address or telephone number. So now language of correspondence means how you would like to be communicated. So please ensure you're entering appropriate email address so that you don't miss any communication with IRCC. So I'm going to enter my email address. So I say save as draft, and I will have to enter study information as well. This would take you to the screen where you will have to enter your education details. So it asks you to confirm which level of education have you completed, whether it is master's, bachelor's, or whatever is applicable to you. Field of study would be something related to computer technology. In my case, because I've completed master's in software engineering, so I would look for the same appropriate entry in the drop down list, or if I can see any closest match. So in my case it would be the software engineering, computer engineering, computer technology, programming, computer application. So let me see what is the closest match which is available in the drop down here, which corresponds to my field of study. So in a while I'll be just checking this and verifying this. Let me find the closest match here. So I got a match over here. I'm just trying to enter this computing and information technology, and this would ask you for the duration of study. You studied since what year and what month. So if this is your the recent degree level that you have completed, you will have to enter yes in the below drop down. You'll have to select yes in the below drop down, which states this is my current study. So now how many years you have studied has to be entered. whether it's a full-time or past-time, a part-time, that has to be entered, and whether you have received degree, that has to be entered. So this is it, guys. I'm going to let you explore more on express entry system and fill in all other details as suggested. Thank you.